Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this red panda and what it does. So you are going to go to the Fall Festival pets here, and as you can see, the red panda is a divine pet. Adorable Haggler occasionally goes to the gear or seed shop or pet egg shop and restocks a random stock. Rarer items have rarer chance to stock. I don't really get the tea on this pet, but I guess if you haven't gotten a lot of the season, maybe it could restock a level up lollipop. I'm not sure, but that's just what the red panda does in this game. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.